Daily English Conversations. In this course, you will learn 32 useful daily expressions. So, let's get started. How to introduce yourself and others.
Hey,
Hi. Are you new to the building?
yes. I just moved in.
Well, welcome, neighbor. My name is Alex. I live in apartment 19.
Nice to meet you. I'm in apartment 21.
Oh, I'd like you to meet Tizzy.
Hi, Tizzy. How old is she?
She's 4 months old, but don't worry. She's very quiet.
No problem. I love cats.
When you meet someone and want to tell them your name, you can say, "Hello, my name is." When you introduce a friend to someone else, you can use the expression, "I'd like you to meet."
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
To reply to these expressions, you can say, "It's nice to meet you," or "It's a pleasure to meet you." How to greet someone.
Hi, how's it going?
Fine, thanks. How are things?
Pretty good. My name is Steve Hill. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Emma Laurie Shaw.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, it's time for class. See you later.
Take it easy.
When greeting someone, you can use the expression, "How are you?" You could also say, "How is everything?" or "How are you doing?" which have the same meaning.
Hi, how's it going?
Fine, thanks.
When replying, you can use the expressions, "I'm fine, thank you," or "Everything is great." Asking for repetition.
Hello.
Hi, Joe.
I'm sorry. Who is this?
It's me, Matt. I just got a new phone number.
Hi, Matt. What's up?
Can you help me with my homework?
Sure, but I'm kind of busy right now. Can you send me an email?
What's your email address?
It's joe@newmail.com.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
It's joe@newmail.com.
Asking someone to repeat themselves. When asking someone about their personal information, you can start the conversation by saying, "What is your?" You could also say, "Can I have your?" or "Can you give me your?" For example, "What is your email address?" or "Can I have your phone number?" If you weren't able to hear what the other person said and need them to repeat themselves, you could say, "Can you say that again?" or "Can you repeat that?"
What's your email address?
It's joe@newmail.com.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
How to make small talk.
Hi, Maria.
Hey, Chris.
It's really nice today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So, how are things at school?
They're okay. It's a busy semester, isn't it?
I know, it is. I don't have much free time.
Me neither. What are you listening to?
Oh, it's my favorite song. Here, listen.
It's, interesting.
When starting small talk, you could talk about the weather by saying, "It's really nice today, isn't it?" If you and your friend are both students, you could talk about the school by saying, "It's a busy semester, isn't it?"
It's really nice today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a busy semester, isn't it?
I know, it is.
When replying, you can simply use the expressions I know, it is, or it sure is. How to talk about your likes and dislikes.
Sandra, this is a new rock group. Do you like them?
No, not really, Peter. It sounds like heavy metal.
No, it doesn't. I like them a lot.
I don't really like loud music.
So, what kind of music do you like?
Well, I love classical music. And I like some hip hop, too.
I love hip hop. What about this song?
I don't like this song.
I love it. Turn it up.
Learn to talk about your likes and dislikes. When there is something you like, you can say, I love, or I like, a lot. When there is something you dislike, you can say, I don't really like, or I dislike.
I like them a lot.
I don't really like loud music. If you like the thing someone likes as well, you can say, so do I. If you dislike it, you can say, oh, I don't, or not me. If you also dislike something, then you can say, me neither. And if you are surprised someone dislikes something but you like it, you can say, really? I do. How to talk about someone's favorite things.
Johnny Depp has a new movie out.
He's my favorite actor. Who's your favorite actor?
I don't really have one, but my favorite actress is Reese Witherspoon. Who's yours?
My favorite is Gong Li.
What's your favorite movie?
That's a hard question. I like a lot of movies.
I'm crazy about The Sound of Music.
Are you serious? That's an old movie.
Yes, but it's great.
How to ask about someone's favorite things. When you want to know about someone's favorite things, you can ask, what's your favorite? A similar expression would be, do you like any? In particular,
Who's your favorite actor?
I don't really have one, but my favorite actress is Reese Witherspoon. Who's yours?